gotta slide it, slide it, slide it.
Can't slide my right turn.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
I love that shit. Yeah, we in the cat, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Stop playing. Yeah. Like, man, bully that nigga. Man, bully that nigga, bro. Bully that nigga. Act like he got a CO1. He got a CO1.
Yo, is anybody? Wait, is that my brakes?
Bro, bully that nigga, bro. Bully that nigga, listen.
Man, he handicapped, bro. He not finna.
Bro, bully that nigga, bro. Bully that nigga.
Bro, my differential fucked up. You feel that shit, bro?
Bro, bully that nigga. Oh, fuck, bro. Bully that nigga. Oh, yeah. What that boy say?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Right, right. This shit geek though. What he got? That's an SS or something. I don't know why I'm not recording, bro.
I'm recording. Backseat of the Hellcat with lights not too fine, little boo.
Got my hand in the can.
Oh shit!
That boy getting low. That boy getting low. That boy getting low. That boy getting low.
I might slide this corner right here.
Oh, that boy getting low. That boy getting low.
What that is, twin? Motherfucker hard, twin.
Nice.
That's a ZL1? ZL1?
Yeah.
That motherfucker tough.
Hey, bro, show me some. Oh shit! Last nigga got the wheel, I can't count.
Man, I tell you, my young nigga Ben got the wheel. I been telling y'all nigga that, bro. I knew that's a ZL1, bro. I can tell by the big ass back, bro.
So it was a Z1?
Hell yeah. But he got the goddamn bar talk, bro. I mean, convertible, bro. That shit 1P, bro. That motherfucker tough.
You done?